from Albuquerque. How are you guys doing today? I am doing really good on my way to work, nice and early. Early. The early bird catches the worm. So I'm out to catch the worm. It has been a beautiful visit here in Albuquerque. A lot of fantastic people. I tell you, when I meet people, it just recharges my battery and just keeps me trucking. So a lot of things to tell you, but I'm gonna keep it short. Nemo and Navajo was just extraordinary. It was so neat, so nice. What a fun and fantastic way to promote and preserve the language. It was just, it's that good. 5 stars out of 5 stars, 6 stars out of 5 stars, you know? I could hear 2, possibly 3 different dialects, but I still understood the whole movie. I really enjoyed it. My family and I enjoyed it. Met a lot of people there, shook a lot of hands, took a lot of selfies, and it was fun. It was just a lot of fun. So we're gonna get together Thursday evening, 6:30. I'm thinking Cheddars. Woo, excuse me. I'm thinking Cheddars by the movie theater on Pan American. I don't want to get the name wrong, but I'm gonna call down there because they invited us already. And at the time we were gonna do it on Sunday. They can't take reservations for Sunday, so now we changed it over to Thursday. And I want to make sure that they can accommodate us before I confirm it. But I'm thinking Cheddars. Other than that, my gosh, you know, perfect weather in Albuquerque. So I arrived at work. This weekend, I'm going to be going from Albuquerque, visiting Theru. I heard it's not too far from here. I think I'm also going to visit Tohajale, just to see where that's at. But I hear that's on the way. There's a flea market on the side of the road on the right-hand side where they've got some mutton stands. I can't wait. So I want to do that. Then head out to Red Rock. Then I'll be in Gallup Saturday. So Red Rock, Gallup area, I'll be there Saturday. I want to visit the flea market. Never been there. It's been suggested that I should eat at Earl's Family Restaurant. I definitely want to do that. I looked up the comments online for Earl's, and I guess they have a lot of native sellers that'll come to your table. So I'm going to take some extra cash with me and see if I can collect a few things. Let's see what else. Then Sunday we'll head back. So that's the plan so far. I hope to cross paths with some of you, shake hands, say hello. Let me know what else I should see. I remember one of our NITC members asked me to go visit his mom's Native American Indian store. She is Navajo. I don't remember the name, so if you're listening, remind me what that name of that Native store was. I do want to pass by there. We've got all day Saturday. All right, so let me know. All right, nizhonigo na adoo'al, and remember, sodilzin de Yá'át'ééh Albuquerque de nit nadnish. Hakoshine nizhonigo na adoo'al. Bye.